One of the largest rock climbing gyms in the country is right here in Tulsa. You'll find the all-new Climb Tulsa near 31st and South Yale.
I think for me, designing this was definitely a collection of other climbing gyms that I'd been to.
Owner Jason Berg says he focused a lot on aesthetics and vibe during the design process. He wanted to make sure visitors and members could talk and make new friends.
I like open spaces. I think this place is all about community, so we try to keep it that way. One of our core values here is just making certain that people walk out of this door feeling encouraged and feeling better about themselves and feeling more excited about life.
There's 17,000 square feet and 2 floors to discover. There are daily yoga classes, along with a workout area specifically designed for climbers, and another 20,000 square feet of rock walls.
Just to give you an idea of how tall the walls are in here, I'm about 5'9". The highest point is 50 feet, and there are countless ways to get there.
So the routes are constantly changing. Our entire gym is completely modular. Things come off the wall and go on the wall. We shut down little sections, we strip some routes down, put new ones up, and then we move on.
Each color of hold is a different route, each with its own difficulty.
They're setting new stuff every week. Like, I swear, I come in here, they're setting something upstairs, setting something over here. It's pretty awesome.
People that come in and they walk about 5 steps and they kind of stand there like, oh boy, a little intimidated, right? But what do I do next?
Climb Tulsa has very specific things set up for first-timers. There's even an area dedicated to training people properly.
How to belay properly, how to tie in knots, how to use their harness and all those different things. We keep it ready all the time, so every day on the hour we teach those classes.
Rock climbing can be a little bit of an intimidating sport for a newcomer, and everybody's been incredibly nice and accommodating.
When we caught up with firefighter Matt Trout, he had only been climbing for a week.
I love it. I came in just one time with a friend of mine, fell in love with it right off the bat.
Trout says the sport is easy to pick up.
It is easy to pick up, and I've learned a lot even in my first week, so having a lot of fun.
Every time I bring somebody new in here, they fall in love with it just the same way, get the same passion.
The more you're in here, the better you're gonna get. Like, anybody, any size can get into climbing no matter what age you are. It's just something that's fun to do. I mean, his kids, they're not even like,
They're 60 pounds and they out-climb me. My whole family climbs, my kids climb. It's basically our thing to do as a family. It's active, it's really engaging your whole body, and we can't get enough of it.
And when you're ready for that next step in the sport, there's a shop full of gear for climbing and camping in the great outdoors. At Climb Tulsa, I'm Jason Grubbs for Discover Oklahoma.